Have you been wondering how you can make your Greek yogurt? Worry no more. I brought you these two methods that you can use to achieve this, okay? This is very easy. All I need you to do is just sit back and watch to the end, because if you don't watch to the end, you won't get the whole process. Here is the first method. So here I added 5 cups of powdered milk. So now I'm adding 5 cups of room temperature water. And I will mix all to well combine. So it's important to mix it well to avoid lumps. So now I will sieve it out so that there will be no lump on my mixture. So this is very easy. Now I'm adding the hot water. So I'll add 5 cups of hot water to this mixture. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? At least there is no preservative inside. You are sure of what you're eating. So here I dip my finger to check the temperature. If your finger doesn't hurt much, it's okay. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of yogurt culture. So this is, if you don't have the yogurt culture, you can use plain yogurt. It still works the same. So after mixing it, I have to pour it in and mix everything to well combine. So I'll cover it and put it on a warm place, which is my microwave, for 10 hours. So it's good to do this overnight. This is after 10 hours. You can see how it turns out very thick. So now, if you want to end up as plain yogurt, this is the time. But if you don't want it to be plain yogurt, you still have to go through this process now. This is the process of going into Greek yogurt. So I have to put it on my cheesecloth to sieve the way out. So if you want to get it right, you have to do this process in order to get it right for your Greek yogurt. Here already tied, so I'll be putting it inside this container so that the wave will drain off. So I will put it on my refrigerator for another 2 hours. And this is after 2 hours. You can see it's already drained out. So you can see the way 70% of the water is gone. You can see how the Greek yogurt turns out very thick and creamy. So you can see how thick it is. So this is Greek yogurt. So I added my sweetener because, you know, I made this for my kids. So I have to make it sweet. They're not too sweet. This is just half cup of sugar. So this is what I got. It's amazing. I got like 1.5 liters of your Greek yogurt on this powdered milk. So you can see how thick it is. Very easy. Now I'm going into the second method. I'm using full cream milk for this. So I'm pouring in 2 liters of this milk inside my pot. So you have to use low heat for this. Make sure your heat is on the low side. So I have to cook it until it starts boiling, but not boiling like foaming out. When you see that it's already boiling, then you can stop the heat. So, and remember to constantly stir on it so that it doesn't burn. So now I off my heat and I'm adding another extra milk, which making it like 3 liters. So the essence of this is to make it warm, okay, because I don't want it to be too hot. I added my plain yogurt. So here I'm using plain yogurt instead of yogurt culture, so both can still work, but I choose to use the plain one. So I sieve it out to avoid lump. So I'll cover it and put it on a warm place again, which is my microwave, for 10 hours. Okay, this is after 10 hours. You can see it's all set. I put it again on my cheesecloth. I will refrigerate it again for 2 hours. So you can see the whey content of the liquid milk is more. So here I got like 4 cups of this whey. It's amazing. And now I pour in my yogurt. You can see how thick it is. Very thick. So I added my sweetener again. So I hope you'll get to try this. You can choose which method works for you. This is very easy. Okay, tell me what you observe from these 2 methods and let me know which one you'll be going for, okay? So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you coming by. Please remember to subscribe if you have not done so. Please like my video, comment, and please share so that others will see and watch as you do. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.